In certain instances, the government might need to acquire private lands with minimal delays. But what justifies these urgent acquisitions, and can this result in the safeguards against arbitrary acquisition being disregarded? Today, we delve into the concept of urgent acquisitions in land acquisition and explore its implications through legal and real-world lenses. The term urgent acquisitions refers to the government's ability to expedite the process of acquiring private property when there is an immediate need. The idea is that urgent societal needs can take precedence over individual property rights under certain conditions. However, what situation amounts to urgent is a crucial question. According to Sections 38, Part A and 38A of the Land Acquisition Act of 1950, or the LAA, the government can expedite land acquisition if there is a particular urgent need. However, the Act does not clearly define what constitutes urgency, leaving much up to the minister's discretion. This may result in arbitrary use of the powers of urgent acquisition due to the lack of guidance on what may be truly urgent. The ambiguity of the term urgent complicates the process, often leading to delays and disputes in circumstances where there is a lack of demonstrated urgency. Supreme Court rulings in the past have sometimes ruled that urgent acquisition must serve the broader community and not personal interests. Abuse of urgent acquisitions can disproportionately impact individual rights, and with compensation being occasionally delayed, it can lead to landowners finding themselves in a precarious financial situation. Transparency and accountability in declaring urgency are vital. For example, in Australia, in cases of expedited acquisition, strict criteria and timelines are set out to ensure fairness is maintained, despite the urgency. In the US, prompt notice must be given to landowners in the event of urgent acquisition, and such notice must include the reason for urgency. Amending the LAA to include strict timelines as well as laying out clear guidelines of what urgent means in this context will be immensely beneficial and go a long way to make the process more straightforward. Care must be taken to ensure that expedited acquisition procedures do not interfere with the right to just and fair compensation. Understanding urgent acquisitions in land acquisition is crucial for balancing immediate public needs with respect for private rights. It's about ensuring that such powers are not abused or exercised arbitrarily and are for the genuine benefit of the broader community.